Good morning, all of you. I am Razia Patel from Manoj Vidyapat Channel 4. So, students, today we'll start unit number 4. In a unit number 4, we have to start in the unit number worksheet number 3. But before starting worksheet number 3, here we have to do some revision. So, students, in that quick revision we have to do because of the we have started our class after a long time. So, students, worksheet number 1, circle and its parts. So look at this, students. This is a circle, and in this circle there is a different parts. Okay. So now, students, look at this. In a out of area in a circle, ये circle है, ठीक है. So this one is the inner portion. This is the outer portion. So in that outer portion is called the surface. What is the surface? The total length around the circle is called surface. The total length around the circle is called surface. Okay. Then students, this is a chrome. So circle में हम कहीं पे भी लाइन बनाएंगे, ठीक है. So D and B, if we have to write here B and E like that, so that called the chrome. Diameter, longest line of the circle, that's called the diameter, that is a AB. Half of the diameter, that's called radius, okay. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to draw this in your maths rough book. Okay students, now here is the definitions. So students, surface, the total length around the circle is called the surface. Third, the line segment, the join to and on the surface is called the chord. The line segment join any to and on the surface is called the chord. Then diameter, what is the diameter? The longest chord of the circle is called the diameter. Radius, what is the radius? The line segment join the center of the circle and any end of the surface is called the radius. So now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, look at this, look at here. Measure the surface of the following circle using a thread or ruler. So we have to measure this circle and we have to write this centimeters. So surface is equal to 13 centimeter and the second one is 11 centimeter. Now students, you have to draw this. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start second worksheet. Worksheet number 2 we have to start it now. Okay students, now see, look at here. Worksheet number 2 is related to identify which of the following segment are crowd and which are not. So students, here is a line segment CF, GF, AD, OB, right, and AO. So in that, first of all we have to find the chord. So AD, CF and GF, that is a chord, and which one is a not a chord? AO and AB. Okay, then second one, chord is a DF and AF, AE, but not a CD. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook, students. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now next things I'll show you here. Second one question is, write the name of the chord in the given figures. So students, this is a circle. We have to find the chords. So that is AB and CD, and second one PQ and QR. Write it down in your maths notebook, students. Okay students, now next, so in that, here is a 2 circle in the C1, including XY and XY and YZ. This is a chord, and in the second one, NS and LM, NS and LM. Okay students, now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to draw this. Okay students, I hope so your worksheet number 2 is completed. Now students, we have to start the worksheet number 3. So let's start that worksheet, students. Now students, worksheet number 3 is finding the center of the circle. How to find the center of the circle, students? So first of all we have to draw one circle, and then students we have to put the place or the place ruler horizontal on the circle such that it almost middle of the circle. हम लोगों को हॉरिजेंटल लाइन में एक स्केल रखना है और हमें ये क्या करना है, ये ध्यान में रखना है कि दैट स्केल शुड बी मिडल ऑफ द सर्कल. Then we have to draw one line, and then again what we have to do, we have to move the ruler silently up and down and find the longest chord on the circle. Then students carefully look at the measurement in the ruler and mark the longest chord on the circle. So this one is done, students. Look at this. These three things. Okay, first of all we have to draw here AB on a circle. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now next we have to repeat the step from the first to third, but what we have to do, time ruler should place vertical. अभी तक हम लोगों ने स्टैंडिंग लाइन पे स्लिपिंग लाइन हॉरिजेंटली हम लोगों ने स्केल रखा था. Now we have to put this scale as a vertical. Okay, then we have to measure it properly, and then carefully look at the measurement in the ruler and mark the longest chord on the circle. So here we have to mark CD. Here we have to mark CD. Okay students, then the common point on these two lines is the center of the circle. In this case O is the center point. So in this the case students, here O is a center point. A, B and CD, this one is a, देखो ये दोनों वहाँ पे जहाँ पे दोनों लाइन मर्ज हो रही है, that one is a center point. तो center point is a O. So we have to write the center point A and radius OA, OB, OC and CD. Now I'll give you 1 minute students. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next things. Now students, worksheet number 4. In that worksheet, now see, find the center point of the circle O. Join the point X, Y and Z with the center point. The measure the length of the X, OX and OY and OZ. So students, look at this. This is a circle. In that circle, we have to measure it. OY, XO and OZ. So XO is equal to 2 centimeter, OY is equal to 2 centimeter and OZ is equal to 2 centimeter. Like that here also, OX is equal to 1 centimeter, OY is equal to 1 centimeter and OX is equal to 1 centimeter. Now I will give you a 1 minute students. You have to write all the things in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, your homework is, you have to write the worksheet number 3rd and worksheet number 4. In a worksheet number 4, you have to write the question number 1. That one is your homework students. You have to complete your work students and send it to me before 1:30 in your WhatsApp group. I hope so students, your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.